All right, here we are in a 2019 Edge ST. I've got the Borla S-Type exhaust on it. I've got it in sport mode. Windows are up, and we're going to take it up to about 65, 70 miles an hour so you can hear what it sounds like. There's 70. Once you're off the gas, it's as quiet as just about factory. "70 miles an hour. It's just a slight little growl. Obviously, stereo's off. Now put the windows down. You hear wind noise more than anything else. Windows back up. Just a slight growl. No drone. All in all, I think it's got a great sound for the V6 twin turbo. It's never going to sound like a V8, obviously, but for those of us that just can't stand it being so quiet, this is a great solution. So it's the Borla S-Type from Borla. I'll put a link below where I purchased it. Free shipping. Thanks for watching.